Welcome to RV's data conversion. Blue World Form Entry Auto Typer software. Open Blue World Form Entry Auto Typer software and browse Excel. Select form number in data entry auto typing software and click on Start button. Autofiller of Blue World data form entry software starts typing. While typing, don't touch keyboard or mouse. After typing process completed by Blue World Form Entry Auto Typer, once check the data and save the form. Typing software types like manual typing. After completing one form, select next form and start process. In Auto Typer, speed adjustment option is available. This auto typing software types like manual typing. There is a manual typing speed option is available. So stop typing, start using automation tool for data entry works. Thanks for watching. Contact +91 970 430 5784.